The crypto market might be off to a little bit of a slow start today, but things are still looking very good. We're not necessarily falling or curling back over in price. You can see Bitcoin sitting right here at 96,200, 96,300, and Shiba Inu coin doing very well as well. SHIB sitting at about 1320 points per coin right now, and not necessarily showing any signs of a downtrend. Matter of fact, the Fear and Greed Index is still sitting in neutral territory, right here at a level of 56 greed, nearly straight up and down. Anything between 40 and 60 is typically considered neutral. Anything above that would be bullish, or would be not necessarily greedy, but starting to get into that confident territory. Shiba Inu coin, though, could be on the verge of a very nice breakout. Following this consolidation, it's eyeing a 77.8% increase in May. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got some very good news for Shiba Inu coin. We're going to be going over it in this video, but with all of the signs we just pointed out, right? The Fear and Greed Index slowly ticking back up. Bitcoin slowly ticking back up. Shiba Inu coin, SHIB is a little bit of an underperformer over the last couple of days. As you can see, Shiba Inu coin coming off resistance at about 1,500 points per coin, down to 1,320 points per coin. The real story is that Bitcoin is leading us higher at $96,314 right now, breaking through resistance as opposed to breaking through support. Now, we're going to get into it at the end of the article here because Bitcoin is setting the stage for the rally, and I do want to point that out. But one of the best, or one of the most prudent things that we can do during a time like this is diversify. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on all of these tokens, but I just want to point out some of the ones I'm diversifying into right now. Solixi, a layer 2 blockchain being built on Solana. Best wallet. This is one of the best wallets that I use. I like it, and the fact that you can invest in it, I think is absolutely incredible. So I've been buying into Best Wallet as well. AI agents right now. Highest level of demand they have ever been, beaten down in price because of the fear in the market. Mind of Pepe could lead the rally. Now, because Bitcoin is doing so well, I've bought into Bitcoin Bull, and I will be receiving free Bitcoin in my Best Wallet as Bitcoin breaches those certain price levels. And finally, this one is not out yet, but I will be investing into Waygu Cash. Any day now, it's going to be launching in May. The bull market is about to begin, absolutely, and this is going to be a fair launch, okay? And one of the cool things is it's #1 search recommended on Google. So if you're looking for best crypto to buy now, Waygu Cash is showing up on top, which is absolutely incredible. So make sure to check that out. These are just some of the tokens I've been diversifying into. I have a very, very diverse portfolio at this point, and I'm going to be sitting on some very nice gains when this bull market comes back, and I hope that you guys are as well. So if you just want the key points from this article, Shiba Inu coin's recent breakout from a descending channel aligns with SHIB's historical May rallies, which have seen an upwards of 77.8% average returns. Trading volumes remain steady, a sign of a build-up before major price action. And if a bullish momentum returns, the price target could extend to 2460 points per coin, nearly doubling Shiba Inu coin's current value, which is incredible. So this could be the calm before the storm. They say current technical indicators suggest that SHIB's consolidation phase, while the price action is hovering between key support levels, 1330 with resistance around 1370, and that is exactly where we've been over the last couple of days. The RSI is remaining neutral, reflecting a lack of immediate buying pressure or selling pressure, and the MACD crossover shows mild bearish crossover, hinting at a short-term hesitation, but not ruling out upside potential. And the end of the article here is a little bit more correct. Everybody is looking at Bitcoin right now. Everybody's got their eyes on what is happening with the overall market. So if you're looking at Shiba Inu coin's historical performance, it says according to SHIB's price history, the token has shown the ability to sharply surge during May, and in some cases, 77%. Shiba Inu coin holds ground amid market consolidation, but eyes a 77% rally on May 7th. I don't know why they got May 7th there, why that date is special. It says a closer look at SHIB's daily chart reveals a notable development. The token is broken out of its descending channel, a bullish technical signal. The breakout pattern, combined with historical price performance in May, is raising eyebrows. If the pattern repeats, okay, and patterns don't have to repeat, but we are seeing very nice bullish setups across the market right now. You've got meme coins off of their lows. You've got Bitcoin obviously doing very well, breaking through this resistance and ready to test that 100,000 again. And guys, it's crazy to me that people are unwilling to buy Bitcoin at 74,000, but they're going to start pouring back into it at 100,000, and they're going to get excited again. They want to buy when prices are high, and they sell when prices are low. It's very crazy that they want to do that, but that's what they want to do. And with Bitcoin rising right now, 96,400, it's up about just under 1% in the last couple of hours here. Bitcoin is doing very well. As Bitcoin continues to lead and this fear turns to greed, we are going to see massive gains. And it's not just Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin. I know we talk about Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin so often, and I don't know why CoinMarketCap hasn't been loading properly over the last couple of days, but nonetheless, it's all of the meme coins that are out there. They're doing exceptionally well. So Bitcoin's rally setting the stage. The broader crypto market is riding a wave of optimism as Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory, lifting sentiment across altcoins. However, many altcoins, including Shiba Inu coin, are currently in a holding pattern as investors await Bitcoin's stabilization. Once Bitcoin cools off, market watchers expect altcoins to begin their own upward movements, with Shiba Inu coin among the top candidates to benefit. At present, Shiba Inu coin holds its support level firmly, showing resilience despite market turbulence. While it hasn't made significant moves yet, the foundation appears to be forming for a strong rally, especially if Bitcoin's momentum spills over into the meme coin sector, and it absolutely should. Guys, CoinMarketCap right now is showing us that the fear to greed index is also at a level of 56 neutrality. But if we take a look at the trending coins, look at this. Major gains happening right now in a lot of these meme coins. 27%, 192%, 37%, 1%'s not major, 6% gains. If you come down to the meme coin category, you can see that it has been red over the last couple of days, but they're itching for a breakout right now. And some of the top movers are really, really heating up. 188, 69, and 37% gains. I am excited about what's to come. Therefore, I am accumulating. One of the places that I'm accumulating, the KSEX exchange. KSEX is an excellent place to trade cryptocurrency. You can grab Bitcoin on up to 125x leverage, some of the lowest fees in the entire industry if you guys are interested in futures trades. But if you're looking at holding your crypto, you got a link down in the description for Best Wallet. It's a free download, hundreds of thousands of downloads already, 4.4 stars, competing with some of the big names like Coinbase, MetaMask, and so on. But these guys have additional features. So make sure, download them, see if you like them, but hold your crypto on the blockchain so that it is your crypto in your custody and nobody else's. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.